GMC Sierra has a complaint, wrap idle. It was newly repaired, engine top overhauled in other workshop, but is still unsolved. Then, it was in our workshop, and my mates recommended to replace a valve liter as per his diagnosis. In other words, replacement has been done, and unfortunately, is still unsolved. Start wrap idle without my presence that time. And lastly, my manager asked me what was the main cause of wrap idle. Then I was started a diagnosis and start exploring it. It will be a base, and believe it or not, this is what I found out. Upon engine cranking, even it was newly replaced valve lifter, the rocker arm was not moving at all.
Working.
Watch the upload video while cranking the engine. If you what is your findings on this matter? It might be, you can say, ruined camshaft lobe, right?
It was very difficult to diagnose if the valve cover was not removed. This was a very big challenge on me. Did you heard or familiar about AFM? Active Fuel Management?
This is my findings. AFM solenoid was untestable. Active fuel management. Active fuel management, AFM, otherwise known as cylinder deactivation, is a General Motor engine technology that shuts down half of the engine cylinders in light driving condition to improve fuel economy. Beginning in March 2021, most 2021 Silverado 1500 and 2021 Sierra 1500 pickups equipped with L82 MYC 6-speed and L84 MQE 8-speed will be produced without active fuel management. AFM L82 or Dynamic Fuel Management DLM L84.
Completion is in progress. Even me, I was wondering, the rocker arm doesn't move while cranking. How about when the engine at idle, but it fast? Of course, engine compression has been obtained because both intake and exhaust valve are totally closed. This was a riddle on me. Why? In parameters data doesn't have misfire data reading. If there is a misfire data reading, I can assure the port. After this is another charge to experience on me. Let the engine start it up and have a look the differences after the repair. Now let's see the aftermath after the replacement of active fuel management assembly. Engine is started up. The engine runs smoothly at idle. Wrap idle is no longer filled unlike before. If you encounter such kind of engine fault, be sure to diagnose properly. Do the proper procedures step by step. Use a scan tool. Select power balance, then deactivated the injector one by one. Then you will view which cylinder is not firing. Next, perform engine compression test. Wet and dry compression test. If the test is fast, next go to parameters misfire data. Select each cylinder and read the data. If the reading is 0, ignition coil, spark plug, and injectors are working well. The last test is performing manual test and have an internal check-up of moving parts to be inspected and out of valve cover, which is the top cover of the engine, left and right if bank engine. Crank the engine and observe the moving parts such as rocker arm, engine valve, valve spring, push rod, and lifters. All of these are moving parts to be observed. Then finally, you will find out the fault correctly, accurately, without hesitation, and justify the fault perfectly.
As a matter of fact, being a workshop in charge, handling a manpower isn't easy. A workshop responsibilities is absorbing technical fault, a problem solver, decisioner, and a final controller. Everything from A to Z, he runs at you, particularly in technical. Sometimes, my angerness was uncontrollable because of the climate, particularly summertime, but not all the times.